Soak the seeds for 24 hours before planting. Soak the soil discs in warm water, allowing them to expand. Squeeze out the water and place soil in grow bags, leaving 1/4 inch from the top of the bag, and save the remaining soil. Scatter 5 seeds per grow bag, with room between each seed. Cover the seeds at 1/8 depth with remaining soil but don't pack the soil down. Place the pots near a well-lit area to keep the soil warm for germination. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Herbal Tea Starter Kit. Indoor plant growing kit to easily grow your own herbal tea garden or medicinal herb garden conveniently in your kitchen window, windowsill, balcony, or patio. Number 2. What's inside? Heirloom, non-GMO herb seeds for growing tea plants and making your own chamomile tea, mint tea, lavender herbal tea and lemon herbal tea. 4 attractive burlaps grow bags, plant pots, peat potting soil discs, pruning shears, stainless steel tea infuser, bamboo plant markers, wooden gift box, instructions. Number 3. Medicinal herb seeds for planting indoors or outdoors. Mint, peppermint seeds, mentha piperita, chamomile seeds, Matricaria chamomillum, lemon balm seeds, Melissa officinalis and lavender seeds for planting Lavandula angustifolia. Number 4. Unique gift ideas. Perfect tea gifts for tea lovers, garden gifts for gardeners, gardening gifts for women and men, vegan gifts, unique gifts for couples, kitchen gifts and housewarming, DIY grow kit for kids. Number 5. Why Garden Republic? Our goal is to make the art of growing plants simple and accessible. We are a veteran and family-owned small business focused on creating safe, sustainable products you can trust. Number 6. Beautiful gift box. Looking for a unique gift idea for that hard-to-buy for friend or family member? You will be proud to gift our beautifully packaged seed starter kit. From our elegant wood box design to our unique burlap pots, we've thought of everything you need to give the perfect gift. Number 7. Tea Infuser Plus booklet included. Once your garden is in full bloom, it's time to harvest your plants and start making some delicious teas. But, when do you harvest, and how exactly do you make tea? Our herbal tea booklet contains detailed directions for everything from harvesting to various methods of drying your tea leaves. We also provide a stainless steel tea ball infuser to get you started. Number 8. Thoughtful design. Our unique gift box can also be used as a planter box as you set your seeds up for germination. Speaking of seeds, we've added extra seeds to each of our kits to increase the chance for success. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Hi, I know the packaging says for indoor use, but can I leave them outside not in the direct sun to grow? Answer. You can certainly start them outdoors. However, make sure you keep a very close eye on your soil hydration level. Since it's summertime, the seed starting soil tends to dry quickly outdoors. It's a better idea to get them started indoors and then transition them outdoors. Once you've got them sprouted inside, they'll be incredibly happy to grow outside in your garden. Question number 2. Should these have small holes poked in the bottom to allow for drainage? Answer. No, these pots do not have holes. We designed them to require less watering, so be sure not to overwater. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.